Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add event on Macbook calendar. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Add something to your Mac's calendar is just a few keystrokes. We got the software to make it possible. Adding something to calendar or your Mac like even Mac isn't complicated, but it can take a while. You need to fire up calendar, browse the correct date, then drag the correct time slot. And in this video, I will show you how to add event or create event on your MacBook's calendar. It's so simple. So first, you can just open your calendar on your MacBook. Now you can just choose on the date that you want to add the event. Maybe for the example, I will choose at this time. You can choose on the date that you want to add the Here's you can just click on the date. After that, if you want to add the event, you can just click on the plus icon in here. You can create a quick event. You can enter the title of your event. Add this, maybe for movie date. Now you can just add the location or choose in here. You can also choose the time, the start time, and also the end time in here. After that, in here you can choose, maybe for the example, I will change to 10th. You can choose if you want to repeat this event or not. You can just custom your event in here. If you want to remind 5 minutes before, you can just change the alerts. And also in here you can add invites. You can also add notes, URL, or attachment on your event on your calendar. Now, so here's your event, your new event on your calendar. So simple, right? Or you can just, if you want to create another one, you can just double click on the date that you want to create the event. You can create the new event in here. Just do the same thing at the title, at the location. So simple, right? So that is how to create event on MacBook calendar. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.